Cindy and Lisa collect stickers. Cindy has 395 stickers and Lisa has 835 stickers. About how many stickers do the two girls have together? Okay, and we're rounding this to the nearest 100. About tells us to round. Nearest 100. So Cindy has 395 stickers. Lisa has 835 stickers. 395. If I'm rounding to the nearest 100, I'm going to underline my hundreds place. Look at my tens place. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. 5 or more, up the score. That means my 3 needs to do some work. It's going to go into a 4. Everything else becomes a 0. 835. I'm rounding to the nearest 100. 8, so underline my 8. Look at my 3. That's my tens place. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. My 3 is less than 4, so it doesn't have to do anything. So my 8 gets to be lazy, gets to stay the same. Everything else becomes a 0. So now I'm going to be adding 400 plus 800. So let's draw our base 10 blocks. 100, 200, 300, 400. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay, I definitely have enough hundreds to make 1,000. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So I'm going to make a thousands block. The thousands block is a cube. So this is 1,000. This is 2 hundreds. My answer is 1,000 plus 200, which equals 1,200. The girls have about 1,200 stickers all together.